Polkadot might be one of the most interesting investments of this moment. Hi guys, Corne here, and a long time ago I made some videos in English because I also obviously have my Dutch channel with almost 85,000 subscribers. And I thought, you know what, let's try some English videos as well. Let's see if there's people that like me on the international stage as well. But I stopped making those videos. I made a couple 2 years ago, but I'm gonna try and make at least one video again for you guys, just for me to, you know, get better in making these videos in English and just see if there's people that actually like these videos, yes or no. Are you watching this video? Please let me know by giving the video a like and placing a comment. Just let me know, do you own Polkadot? Do you like these style of videos, or do you want to see it any different? Just let me know that you are watching. That motivates me a bit to make more videos in the future. I want to make this really short about Polkadot, so a bit of technical analysis and a bit of fundamental analysis, and that's starting with this chart. It's a daily chart on Polkadot and it just looks really juicy in my opinion. If you zoom out to the weekly, you see this. So you see these massive accumulation phase with the bottom on exactly let's say $3.70. At this moment, we're trading at $4.31. This morning, I bought for a big amount of Polkadot on 4.30, and you can see that we have this falling wedge and are trying to break out. We're trying to break out near the bottom of the accumulation zone, and we have a bullish divergence. So in the RSI, you see a low and you see a higher low, and in the chart itself, we see a low and we see a lower low. This is a bullish divergence, obviously, and especially on a bigger time frame, this is very bullish for the crypto where you see this forming. So we have Polkadot with this breakout in this falling wedge. Bullish in my opinion. If you look at the stage, the world stage with Q4 now coming, which is also really bullish. We have the US election, which is probably going to be bullish. If it is Harris or Trump, doesn't really matter in the end, because every time we had the elections, you saw a big bull run after. We had it with Obama, we had it with Biden, and now we can have it with either Trump or Harris. I don't really care, because we're gonna see a big bull run. Yes, you probably see a big spike in the price if Trump wins, and maybe in the short term if Harris wins, you see a bit of downwards price action, but it doesn't really matter in the end. We have obviously the rate cuts that are coming, which are bullish. It's probably gonna be 25 basis points. So this is bullish for crypto overall, and obviously it's a bull run year. We have the Q4, which is always bullish. If you look at the monthly and the quarterly returns, September a bit bearish, which we probably gonna get now as well, and then we literally gonna see the rocket taking off. So with that in mind, investing in Bitcoin and altcoins is, in my opinion, still a good idea at this moment, especially if you see the accumulation phase that we have here, and with the upside that Polkadot can have. If only Polkadot goes to the top side of the accumulation zone, this channel, to let's say around $10, you will have a 152% gain on your investment. I'm already happy if we go halfway to this channel with 71%. I will definitely be taking profits, because I think Polkadot needs to work on something. They need to get more active users, and the inflation that they have is not right. They are busy with that, trying to change the inflation, make it lower, maybe burning some more Polkadot tokens. So they're busy with that, but they need to get more exposure, they need to get more active users, and fix the inflation. That's really important for Polkadot on this moment. There are some Polkadot unlocks as well that are coming in the future, but not something that is actually a big deal. If we look at the market cap, you see circulating supply is 1.41 billion, and then you see total supply is a little bit higher than that. So not everything is in circulation yet. It's good to, you know, keep that in mind. If we look at the market cap itself, okay, we have a market cap for Polkadot of 6 billion. Do we look at the coin market cap to see where it can go to if we 10x? Because is 10x possible? I think it's possible. 10x will be to the old all-time highs. It is possible, in my opinion. You will get a 10x, 6 billion, 60 billion. And if you look at the coin market cap, then you will see that 60 billion would be just below Solana. possible even in this market, but you have to keep in mind that during the bull market, all prices, all market caps go up. So I think it's really good possible for Polkadot to do a 10x. But like I said, I will be taking profit earlier on. Next to that, and this one is very interesting, we have this chart. So you see the Google Trends, so what are people searching for? You see Solana against Polkadot, and what you can see is that Solana is way more popular than Polkadot. But what you see here is we have cutting edge technology. We are the largest DAO in Web3, the largest number of active developers after Ethereum. We fund marketing, events and hackathons, a new ambassador program just started, and an outstanding roadmap. It's like they literally do everything well, except for, you know, making sure the price goes up. So yeah, what this dude as well says is Polkadot and Solana are not comparable, not even competitors. Polkadot is being built to be resilient and decentralized, to potentially exist for decades. There are projects that are starting to demonstrate real critical use cases. See Energy Web, for example. Solana is a trend. That's an interesting take, and I wonder what you think about that. Do you think Solana is a trend and Polkadot would be here for like decades? Their technology is really good, but they just need more active users. They need more developers that build on Polkadot. And if that happens, the inflation goes down a bit, I see a very bright future for Polkadot. All right, this was my short video update, a little bit of technical analysis, a little bit of fundamental analysis. I bought a bag of Polkadot just this morning. Do you hold Polkadot and are you gonna buy extra Polkadot? Let me know via a comment below. Like this video, share it please among friends and family, and I hope to see you back in the next one. Adios.